Hello, welcome to Beginning Level English for elementary school. My name is Miss Lewis, and this is Week 6, our last day of the packet, number 5. All this week, we've been talking about places you go. Today, we are going to imagine the beach. Let's get started. If you have your packet, make sure you circle and write in it with me. If you don't, you can still follow along and you can talk and write it on different paper. We're starting today with 4 letters. They are E, A, C, H. I have 4 letters, but I hear 2 sounds. E, ch. Please repeat after me. E, ch. Good, let's put it together. The sound is each. Excellent. What we can do is put different letters in front of each to make new words. Let's check them out. We're going to begin with the word beach. Do you see the letter B in front that makes the B sound? So together my word is beach. Repeat after me. Beach. Good. This is a place where water from a lake or an ocean comes and touches the ground, and there's sand. I like to play at the beach. Let's look at another word. This one starts with the letter P that makes the P sound. Put it together. P, each, peach. That is this kind of fruit. Repeat after me. Peach. Good. Another word begins with the letter R that makes the R sound. Put it together. R, each, reach. In the picture, I see that he is standing on some books so he can reach the jar up above. In this picture, he can't reach. It's too far. Our last word for today has the letter T with the T sound. And here is each. Put it together. T, each, teach. Like the teacher will teach the class. Or at home, you can teach your family some of these English words when you practice. Now let's say all of these each words together. Beach, peach, reach, teach. Excellent. Now I'm going to read some words, some sentences, and I want you to find the each word. Then you can point or circle the picture that matches. Let's try. Number 1. We go to the beach. Where is the each word? Yes, here it is. Beach. Find the picture. Yes, here are people at the beach. We go to the beach. Number 2. I eat a peach for lunch. Find the each word. Yes, peach. Now find the picture. Excellent. I eat a peach for lunch. Number 3. He cannot reach the book. Find the each word. Yes, and our picture. Number 4. She will teach the students. Find the each word. Teach. Very good. Find the picture. Nice. We're ready to start our vocabulary for our book today. Here are some words we'll need to know. We have a lot of action words. In this picture, I see the girl is running. I know the word run and running. I'm doing it now. In this picture, look at her feet are not on the ground, and this is jumping. She likes jumping. Please repeat after me. Running, jumping. Very good. This vocabulary word has two parts. Look at the picture. I can see they are at a beach because I see the water and the sand. And they built a castle with it. This is called a sand castle. Repeat after me. Sand castle. Nice. In this picture, I see these parts of her hand. They are called fingers. How many fingers do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. Repeat, fingers. Nice. This picture, what do you see? Yes, the water is coming up high. These are waves. Repeat, waves. Very good. In this picture, I see a man moving. He is not running. No, he is walking. And all of these words have my ing for my actions. Repeat after me. Walking. Our last word is imagine. What do you see? I see a girl. She closes her eyes and she is thinking. She is going to imagine something else. You can make a connection if you speak Spanish, imaginar, to use your imagination, imaginación. You can make connections to your own language for these different words. Now, let's read them together once before we start our book. Running, jumping, sand castles, fingers, waves, walking, imagine. Great job. Let's find these words as we read about the beach with our each sound. Imagine the beach. Close your eyes and start to imagine. Okay, let's get started. Imagine the beach. Imagine running and jumping in the water. Imagine the beach. Imagine the sand in your fingers and building a sand castle. Imagine the beach. Imagine the waves hitting the rocks. Wow. Imagine the beach. Imagine walking with your family. Imagine the beach. Imagine eating ice cream with friends. Imagine all the things you can do at the beach. Now we want to talk about what we can do at the beach. Here we're going to draw a picture and write, answering the question, what do you do at the beach? Let's use the book to help us. Imagine the beach. Imagine walking with your family. So now I want to write, I imagine, that means I am thinking about it. I imagine walking with my family. And now on my paper, I can draw a picture of that right here. But we have 1, 2, 3. Let's find a different one. Let's read this again. Imagine the beach. Imagine the sand in your fingers and building a sand castle. How can we use this to help us? Let's see. I want to start, I imagine, it says the sand in your fingers and building a sand castle. I can say, I imagine the sand in my fingers, or I can say, I imagine building a sand castle. You can use different parts of the book to write your own sentences. Make sure you draw a picture to show. And now we can talk about it. It says, I imagine at the beach. Using your sentences you just made, we can talk about it. I want to say, I imagine building a sand castle at the beach. Or in the book it talked about ice cream. But I don't imagine eating ice cream. I imagine eating a popsicle. So I will say, I imagine eating a popsicle at the beach. You can call a friend or talk to other people in your house. Or talk out loud to yourself in the mirror and tell me, what do you imagine at the beach? Now it's time to review your hard work and new words for the day. I want you to read the story, then I will read it. We'll find a picture and read it together. Number 1, you read it. I imagine running and jumping. Find the picture that shows this. Yes, here they are. Let's read it together. I imagine running and jumping. Number 2, you read it. My turn. Imagine the waves hitting the rocks. Find the picture. Here it is. Let's read it together. Imagine the waves hitting the rocks. Number 3, you read it. Imagine walking on the beach. I think this is our best picture right here. There's no feet, but they're going on the beach. Number 4, you read it. My turn. Imagine eating ice cream. Find the picture. Yes, right here. Great job. Now let's read it together. Imagine eating ice cream. Great job today. I'm so proud of you. Now that you've done this, take some time to go back, just you, and read the activities. You might even want to teach a friend. I'll see you later. Have a great day.